Hey everyone, I want to show you what Paper Pumpkin is all about. So you will get this kit. You have until the 10th of the month to sign up. So meaning that you have until November 10th to sign up for the November kit. I don't have the November kit yet, but this is just one that I've had from the past. So you would get a nice little kit like this in the mail. And inside you will get a Stampin' Spot of whatever color that you need. You will get a stamp set. So this is a whole stamp set. Stamp set is not offered in the catalogs, so it's a brand new stamp set. So this is a really cute one. So then you open it up and you will have a nice little packet like this. It will have all of your supplies in. We'll open this up and I'll show you. So like I said, I haven't even opened this one up yet. So this is, I can get this out, your kit. This will have all of the instructions that you need for making. It shows you for making your cards. So, and everything is included in here. Everything is all cut. If you, like, here's dimensionals in this one. There's twine. You get all these envelopes. And here are your cards. Now these ones are already have the image on them, but then you're going to take and stamp on the tags. And isn't this so cute? I mean, this is just amazing. All the fun things. And here's some cutouts, or some, they're already cut out for you, ready to go. So like I said, this is the Paper Pumpkin. And you have until November 11th to sign up for the November kit. And that one is a really cute gingerbread. I just can't wait to see what it is. But remember, if you sign up for my Paper Pumpkin, I will put you into a special group. And then when I get the kit, I will make different cards. So I will do something totally different than what they say to do. So I can show you what the kit says the cards could look like. Or you can do what I tried. So just kind of thinking outside the box. But remember, you have until November 11th. And this is the Paper Pumpkin, what the kits look like. Like I said, you just, and they're not always like this. They're not always colored. Every time there's something different. So they're just really fun kits. Everything is in here, all ready to go. Oh, and there's vellum ones back here too. So this is the Paper Pumpkin kits, and don't miss it. You have until November 10th to get in on the November one, and it is a gingerbread theme. So the stamps that I've seen so far, they're really cute. So I can't wait to share them with you. Hopefully you would join us. You are not going to regret it. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.